Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker, Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I'm in Thornton, Colorado today. Why am I here? I'm here to talk to you about a new feature. It's been out probably a year or two now, but it's really heating up, and we see this becoming something very, very desirable for 2021, and that is AirFry. Now, you've probably seen already, they've been selling AirFry machines, little bitty ones that sit on top of counters, and those are kind of nice. But now, instead of having something that you have to get out and put away, the ranges that we use in our kitchen are now coming with that AirFry feature. And there's several brands. I looked at it. Frigidaire is probably the one I know the most because I think they came out the first. GE's got it this year. LG's got it this year. Samsung's got it this year. Their price points are circling around $1,000, so some a little bit less, some a little bit more. You can get the AirFry feature on an electric range, on an induction range, on a gas range. It doesn't really matter what the cooktop is. It's all about the oven. And the great thing is you can't even tell that the range has any other feature inside there. It looks just like a regular range, but it has the AirFry feature. So the big question is, what is AirFry? Well, I'm going to tell you. All those little finger foods that you used to fry in oil, you know, the things that not necessarily safe for you. Let's say you're going to do some French fries, things like that. Any of that little finger food that you can think of, well, you can now do it in your oven using the AirFry feature, and it just uses heated convection air to do all the cooking, and it comes out very, very close to what you expect in a fried food. So still delicious, still wonderful, still looks the same, but it's a lot healthier for you, and it's quick and easy to do.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.